Hi everyone and welcome to EEG or the English Easy Goldstar channel. In this video, we will learn how to write the letters of the alphabet. Write up! Okay, so let's start with the letter A. Capital A and the small a. Alright, so let us write the capital A and the small a. You can repeat after me, okay? Capital A and the small letter A, okay? Again, capital A and the small letter A. Good. Okay, next is the letter B. Capital B, small b, or big letter B and the baby letter B. Okay, that's right. Capital B and the small letter B. Okay, can you follow? Again, capital B and the baby letter B. Okay, all right, good. Okay, next is the letter C. Capital C and the small c. Okay, that's right. Capital C and the small letter C. Okay, again, capital C and the small letter C. All right, now let's write the letter D. Capital D, small d. Okay, that's right. Capital D, small letter D. Good. Again, capital D, small letter D. Very good. Next is the letter E. Capital E, small letter E. Okay, let's write them. Capital E and the small letter E, or the baby E. Again, capital E and the small letter E. Okay, good. Now let's try the letter F. Capital F, small f. Now let's write. Capital F and small letter F. Okay, can you follow? Again, capital F and the small letter F. Good. Now let's try the letter G. Capital G, small g. Okay, that's right. Capital G and the small g. Okay, again, capital G, small g. Okay, good. Next is the letter H. Capital H, small h. That's right. Capital H and the small h. Again, capital H and the small letter h. Okay, good. Now let's start with the I. Capital I, small letter I. That's right. Capital I and the small letter I. Okay, again. Capital I and the small letter I. Okay, good. Let's write the letter J. Capital J, small j. Okay, follow. Capital J and the small letter j. Okay, again. Capital J and the small letter j. J. Okay, now is the letter K. Capital K, small letter K. That's right. Capital K and the small letter K. Okay, it's like a baby K. Again, let's write capital K and the small letter K. Okay, good. Now let's try the letter L. Capital L, small l. That's right. Capital L and the small letter L. Again, capital L and the small letter L. Okay, can you follow? Good. Now is the letter M. Capital M, small letter m. That's right. Capital M or the big M and the small letter m. Okay, again. Capital M and the small letter M. Okay, good. Okay, next to M is N. Capital N, small n. That's right. Capital N and the small letter n. Again, capital N and the small letter n. Okay, good. Next letter is O. Capital O, small o. That's right. Capital O. Okay, it's just like a big circle. And the small o. Again, capital O and the small letter O. Okay, here is letter P. Capital P, small p. Okay, that's right. Capital P, small p. Okay, again. Capital P and the small letter p. All right. Next, let's try the letter Q. Capital Q, small q. Let's write capital Q and the small q. Again, capital Q and the small q. Okay, very good. Now let's try the letter R. Capital R, small r. That's right. Capital R and the small r, or the baby r. Again, capital R and the small letter r. Okay, good. Next is the letter S. Capital S, small s. That's right. Capital S, the small s. Okay, again. Capital S and the small letter s. Very good. Now let's try the letter T. Capital T, small t. And that's right. Capital T, small letter t. Okay, again, capital T and the small letter t. Okay, good. Next is the letter U. Capital U, small u. That's right. Capital U and the small letter u. Again, capital U and the small letter u. Okay, good. Then the letter V. Capital V, small v. That's right. Capital V and the small letter v. Okay, can you follow? All right, again, capital V and the small letter v. Okay, very good. Next is letter W. Capital W and the small w. Okay, let's write capital W and the small letter w. Okay, again, capital W and the small letter W. Okay, it's easy, yeah? Good. Now let's try the letter X. Capital X, small x. Okay, let's write capital X, small x. Okay, again, capital X and the small letter x. Okay, good. Next to X is the letter Y. Capital Y, small y. Okay, let's write capital Y and the small letter y. Again, let's write the capital Y and the small letter y. Okay, and the last letter of the alphabet is the letter Z. Capital Z, small z. Okay, let's write capital Z small letter Z. Okay, again, capital Z and the small letter Z. Okay, very good. Yes, so we have completed writing the 26 letters of the alphabet. Stick around, for in the next video will be the pronunciation or the sound of the letters of the alphabet. Thanks for watching and see you.